So today we're going to break down a huge new challenge that pretty much every modern business is facing. What happens when your employees use powerful AI tools, like ChatGPT, for work?
Let's just dive right into that question, because the convenience of these AI tools, it's undeniable. But it might be creating a massive security blind spot that a lot of companies just don't see coming.
And for good reason, right? I mean, these things can help us write code, draft emails, crunch data. They're an incredible productivity booster. It's really no surprise they've become so popular in the workplace.
But, and this is a big but, with all this new power comes a new and honestly kind of invisible danger. When your team uses these public tools for their jobs, they could be unintentionally leaving the door wide open for your most sensitive data to just walk right out.
Okay, so to really get a handle on this risk, we need to talk about an old security idea that's just been given this powerful modern makeover. It's a concept called shadow IT.
Now, shadow IT itself, it's not new. It's just when an employee uses some app or tool without getting the green light from the company. But generative AI has totally changed the game, turning what used to be a minor headache into a potential catastrophe.
In the past, we were worried about things like someone using their personal Dropbox to share a file, or a free online tool to convert a PDF. Annoying for the IT department for sure, but manageable. Today's shadow IT is employees pasting entire strategy documents or chunks of proprietary code into a public AI. The scale of a potential data leak here is just exponentially bigger.
And here's the part you really need to understand. Once that data is in the AI's hands, it's gone. It's out of your control. This isn't like an unapproved app you can just ask someone to delete. You can't get this data back. It is now part of that AI system.
So, where does it actually go? Well, it could be stored forever on that platform's servers. It might even be used to answer some other user's question down the line. Or, and this is the real kicker, it could be used to train the next version of that AI, an AI that your competitors could then use to get an edge, fed by your own secret sauce.
Now, what's so fascinating and kind of ironic about all this is that it's not a story about bad employees trying to cause trouble. Actually, it's the total opposite. The real danger here often comes from your most dedicated, most productive team members.
This quote really hits the nail on the head. The people sharing this sensitive data are often your star players. They're just trying to be innovative, to be efficient. They see a tool that helps them work smarter and faster, and they just use it, completely unaware of the massive risk they're taking.
You're probably wondering, okay, so what kind of info are we really talking about here? Is it that big a deal? Well, the scary part is, this helpful oversharing can put the most critical parts of your entire business on the line.
I mean, we are talking about the absolute crown jewels of your company. Confidential client lists, internal strategy plans, your source code, and even highly regulated stuff like personal info and payment data. This is the kind of material that should never, ever, ever leave your secure network.
And the fallout from just a single incident can be absolutely devastating. Just imagine having to explain to your biggest client that their private data is now floating around the internet, or facing massive fines for compliance violations. But maybe the worst part is a breach of trust with your customers, something that could take years to repair if you ever can.
Okay, so the risk is definitely real. But the answer isn't to just ban AI and miss out on all the amazing benefits. Instead, there's a clear, straightforward way to embrace this technology safely and keep your business protected.
So this action plan really breaks down into 5 key steps. First up, you've got to educate your team. They need to understand the why behind the rules, not just the what. Second, create crystal clear policies about what's okay to share and what's not. Third, and this one is huge, give them secure enterprise-level AI tools that have privacy built in from the start. Fourth, you still need to monitor for those unapproved apps. And finally, and maybe most importantly, create a culture of transparency where people actually feel comfortable asking questions before they try out a new tool.
So, let's bring it all together. What this is really about is finding that sweet spot, that perfect balance between empowering your team with these incredible new technologies and, at the same time, keeping your information secure.
So the answer here is not a simple no to AI. It's more of a yes, but. Yes, let's absolutely use these amazing tools, but let's do it thoughtfully. That means setting up clear guardrails and giving your people safe company-approved alternatives that protect both them and your data.
It's a pretty sobering thought, but a necessary one. Every single time an employee pastes company info into a public AI tool, you're basically rolling the dice. The convenience is high, for sure, but the stakes are so much higher. And really, that's the question we want to leave you with.
AI isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's only going to get more and more woven into how we work every single day. So, you have to ask yourself, have you taken the steps to make sure your company's next big innovation doesn't become its next big crisis? Are you ready?